So family, I welcome you people to this broadcast for today. So today we are going to do a recap of what we did last week. We're going to have our viewers explain to what we did last week so that you understand more about what we do here at Kadoso Enterprise. Remember, we are found along Kalundwe Road, shop number 24B. That's where you find Kadoso Enterprise. I'm going to invite Nancy, who's going to interview the expert in the cooling system, so that you should know more information about what we do here at Kadoso Enterprise. Nancy, please come over.
All right, thank you so much, Melina, for that wonderful explanation. And she just from welcoming you to Kadoso Enterprises. So I'm going to call Mr. Mkandawire. He's also going to tell us some of the, the things that we showed last week on, when we had this live. He's going to explain in details so that you get to understand some of these, the refrigerant gases that we mentioned, and also some of the uses and where to put them at. He's an expert in that aspect. So, Mr. Mkandawire, good afternoon and welcome.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Yes, so Mr. Mkandawire, before we take us through some of the things that we have here, just tell us what Kadoso Enterprises is all about.
Okay, Kadoso Enterprise is a company which deals in refrigeration and air conditioning. You know, the air conditioning, it deals with the cooling system. Yeah, like the air cons, yeah, we call it air conditioning. And then not only that, we also have a refrigeration system. Yeah, where you can see the cold rooms, the cold rooms, and there are many things that you do in refrigeration.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, because when you talk about refrigeration, as for me,
Yeah.
I'll just get it. I know you're just talking about refrigeration.
Yes.
So it's good that people will get to understand most of these things that we have, or the things that we've been showing.
Yes.
Okay, so for starters, I can see this equipment here.
Yes.
For a layman who has no idea. I mean, I have no idea what this is.
Yeah.
I only have an idea of what a fridge looks like.
Yeah.
So explain to us what this machine that I'm looking at, what is this thing?
Okay, thank you so much, Nancy. I will explain in brief terms. This thing that you are seeing here is a vacuum pump. And this one is a flushing agent. We also have map gas as well as the oil. Now I'll try to explain one by one so that they have an idea, especially to our viewers. Yeah, so in the refrigeration system, this one is mainly used by technicians when they go in the field to repair the things that got damaged, like the fridges, the cold rooms, and many more. Now when they go there, when you change the compressor, there is a lot that happens. Air gets into the system. Now when air gets in the system, if a technician just put things, the compressor and everything, there will be air inside. Now what we need is you need a vacuum pump so that you remove the air from the system, so that the system should be good. No any compromise. The air, when there is air, there is a compromise involved there. Sure.
Okay, so then what is this, these agents that I'm looking at? Because last week we mentioned some flushing agents,
Yes.
and most of the people that are live, that are watching, they would love to find out what a flushing agent is all about and what is its use.
Okay, just from the term flushing, when you talk about flushing, it is something that when you put it in the system, if it's not is dead, or there are some other unwanted components in the system, you need to put the flushing agent. Yeah, and this one is going to flush out all the data in the system, so that by the time you finish your connection, you put your compressor, you do the vacuum system, then you put the gas. So it means the whole system is clean, so that it works effectively without problems.
All right. So let's talk about the map gas here. I'm looking at the map gas.
Okay.
For a layman, I mean, this is the map gas we showed you last week. So I want you to explain its use and what it does. We also need to put it in there, or maybe other places where you can put the map gas.
Okay. No, the map gas. This one is not actually used as as a component in the filtration system. This one just helps in the welding.
Oh.
Yeah, so this one, it is used by technicians. If they are connecting the compressor, you need a map gas to weld your system so that the system gets connected. Yeah, that's the use of the map gas.
Okay, then we have this. What is its use?
Yeah, this one is the oil. You know, there are different types of oil also. Yeah, there is what we call Easter oil. There is what we call mineral oil. Yeah, so these oils are different because of the different types of gases that are used in the system. Yeah, for example, Easter oil is used in systems that use the gas called 404 gas. Yes, so this 404 gas is mainly used in big systems like the courtroom. Yeah, it is rarely used in small like domestic compressors. It is rarely used. Yeah, they can still use this one, but it is rarely used. Yeah, so this oil, you know, it acts like a lubricant. A compressor also is a machine. Yeah, when it's running, you know, there is a corrosion there inside the compressor. So this one is needed. Yeah, as a lubricant.
Okay. I'm looking at this. I'm like wondering what could this.
Oh yes, yeah. As I was just explaining,
Yes.
Indeed, this one is the welding torch.
Okay, so like
So
they're using
this one,
this.
yes,
Also need to
yes. So this one you connect it to a map gas. Yeah, then you write it up so that you do your welding system. Sure.
All right. So for the viewers that are watching or that you're going to find this live right here at Cardoso Enterprises, they would love to know where you are located and you know, and some other information that you want to give out to our audience out there.
Okay, Cardoso Enterprise is found along Kalundwe Road as you heard already, shop number 24B. Cardoso Enterprise is a place where you can visit. It is a place where you can find all refrigeration spare parts, all refrigeration components. So Cardoso Enterprise is a solution. You are invited, our viewers out there. Come to Cardoso Enterprise. You will find your help. If you have any problem in the air conditioning, like the air cons, the cold rooms, fridges, and many more, as long as where our cooling system is concerned, come to Cardoso Enterprise. You will find the answer.
Thank you so much, Mr. Mkadori.
Sure.
It was actually wonderful to have you here to explain to our viewers there, so that they get to understand what, you know, the components that we've been explaining for the past two occasions, and I'm sure they have an idea. So next time you think of you know, where to find the flashing agents and all these components and other things that you're looking for, come to Cardoso Enterprises, and we're going to put the number for your calls and your WhatsApp so that you get to find this place, you know, so that you get to find this place. So for the calls, in case they're actually wondering, they're so fast, maybe they'll want to give us a call right here. You can actually share the numbers, but we know that we're still going to post the numbers, but you can still give the audience the number.
Yes, the numbers that you can call when you need to see Cardoso Enterprises, you can call 0977 86 20 77. And the other one is 0979 42 42 81. You will find Cardoso and Mr. Mkandawile out there waiting for your services.
All right.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much.
It's my pleasure to have you, Nancy.
All right, thank you so much.
Sure, thank you.
All right, thank
Yeah.
you. Okay, bye-bye.